Hello everyone and welcome to sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the ones that we see in the test of mathematics. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll try and take a look at the questions that are being generally asked in this examination, and also we'll try and understand the approaches involving the same, so that whenever we come across these questions in general in any examination we are easily able to solve the same. Having said that, let's focus on the question at hand here. A set S is said to have a minimum if there is an element in S such that A is less than equal to Y for all Y in S. Similarly, S is said to be maximum if there exists an element B such that B is greater than equal to Y for all Y in S. So, if S is given by Y to Y equal to 2, X by 3 by X by 2, where X is greater than equal to 0, then which of the following statement is correct? S has both maximum and minimum, okay? S has neither maximum nor minimum, okay? S has neither maximum, S is maximum but no minimum, and S is minimum, no maximum. So this is a very interesting question pertaining to maxima and minima. So let's take a look at this, how we can actually solve the same. So here we actually have 2x plus 3 by x plus 2. Okay. So if we differentiate the function, we actually have 2 into x plus 2 minus 2 x plus 3 then divided by x plus 2 whole square, or for the 2x plus 4, 2x gets cancelled, plus 4 minus 4, that is 1 by x plus 2 whole square greater than 0. So here we can actually see that f of x is increasing, that is, the curve would keep on increasing, so it simply implies there is no maxima. Okay, so there is no maxima. So if we go through this option gone, has a maxima, option C is also gone. Okay, now again if we take a look at now if we further look at the function f of x at x equal to 0, we obtain our minima. Okay, so at x equal to 0 we have f of x min, that is 3 by 2. So option B gets cancelled. It means the function has a minimum value. So option D is the correct answer. It has a minimum value but no maximum value. So it was a fairly simple question again pertaining to maximum minimum, and I hope this is clear to you. So in case you are having any difficulty in understanding the same, I suggest to go through the entire video multiple times so as to get a better understanding on the same as well. So if you are puzzled on how we got 3 by 2, simply we put 0 here and 0 here. Okay. So having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll continue our discussion on the similar types of question in our subsequent videos, wherein we'll discuss a few more questions pertaining to maximum minimum functions in general. And with that said, I think I should wind up the video. So thank you so much.